Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a South Indian raw banana roast in tawa at your home. So for the raw banana roast, what you need, first we have to peel the skin of the raw banana. Then we have to cut this one like this, guys. It should not be too thin or too thick. So it should be like this. So here I cut one banana. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to marinate this raw banana first. So I kept the banana in the plate, guys, and here I took some garlic and ginger and used this one, guys. Don't use the mixie. This one, the stone one, gives a nice taste and aroma. So we have to blend it. So this is ready, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this ginger garlic paste into this. So this recipe you can prepare in 5 to 7 minutes, guys. So keep everything ready and you can prepare. And in this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. So here I added 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all these things together, guys. Don't add the salt because it releases the water. So don't add the salt now. So we have to marinate this one for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare the masala powder for this. So we have to dip that banana in that masala powder and we have to roast in the pan. Tawa. So this is ready, guys. Can you see? So yeah, it should be like this. So for the masala powder, here we have to add 3 tablespoons of rice flour. So this masala powder you can keep for 1 month, guys, and you can prepare with banana, arabi, eggplant. So yeah, so here I'm adding the 4 tablespoons of rice flour, and in this I'm going to add some chili powder. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you want more spice, you can add more chili powder. And in this I'm going to add the garam masala powder, which gives a nice taste in the raw banana. So we have to add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and we have to mix all these things together, guys. So this is very easy and quick masala powder which you can store it for 1 month. So here I added some fresh cumin seeds which gives a nice taste in the raw banana. So this is done, guys. So can you see, guys? It should be like sand. So in the marination, I'm going to add some salt. How much salt you want in your banana, and I'm going to mix. And in this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Then only it will stick with the masala powder. So after 10 to 15 minutes, guys, so the marination is ready, the masala powder is ready, and here is the tawa. And in this, I'm adding the peanut oil, guys, which gives a nice taste for this banana roast. So we have to add lot of oil in this because we have to roast. Instead of deep frying, we are doing this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the banana and I'm going to dip this one into this and I'm going to add here. So we have to cook in a lower flame, guys, otherwise it will become black in color. So I'm going to keep all the things, then I will show you. Nice aroma, guys. Believe me, please try this recipe at your home. So, and we have to cook this banana both the sides until it becomes golden brown and very crisp. So yeah. So can you see the color, guys? It started becoming crisp, and so this should be the color, perfect color. Can you see? So we have to cook all these things. Yeah. So this is perfectly cooked, guys, and here I added some fresh curry leaves which gives most super taste in this banana roast. So yeah, so this banana roast you can have this with hot. Here I am making the hot rasam, and here I cooked the rice in the pressure cooker. So yeah, so this is done, guys. So you can keep this one in the tawa itself. We can serve this one with hot rice and hot rasam. So this is a quick video of how to make a perfect banana roast tawa, South Indian banana roast in tawa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. And here from now onwards, I will upload a lot of recipes in my YouTube channel, guys, because lot of problem in my family. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.